Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Today, we're gonna talk about 4 machines that are silently making people rich. So we're gonna talk about the investment in this machine, what these machines do, and how you can make money from them. So I know you guys do not like to waste your time because time is money. So let's get into number 1. Number 1 is an edible cake and cookie printer. It's gonna run you around $2,000 to about $5,000 depending on which model you buy. You can either get Ink Edible Cake Quattro Pro, which is around $25,000 to $6,000. It just depends on what model you get. Or you can get other models like the Ink Edible Cake Pro 770A, which is around $3,300. So there's different machines that you can buy, but what this machine does is it prints on cake and cookies and different edible items. So you can either print logos, you can print cartoon characters, you can print the person's name, detailed pictures. You can print this on wafer paper, frosting sheet paper, or directly onto the cookie itself. So why is this so lucrative? Because you can do this for birthdays, you can do this for baby showers, you can do this for retirement parties, you can do this for sorority parties, you can do this for so many different things. So like I said, the machines are gonna cost you a couple $1,000s, but people are making their money back quickly because they're able to sell these cookies and cakes. Now, where you're gonna make your real money is probably corporate events. So you can print corporate logos, you can print inspirational things for corporate events, like inspirational things on cakes, their logos on cookies. This is a really good way to make some money. So let's get into number 2. So number 2 is DTF printer. This stands for direct to film printing. What you can do with this is you can print directly on a film so that you can transfer that to any fabric, cotton, polyester, you name it, whatever the fabric is, you can print and then transfer it onto the fabric. So you can do t-shirts, jeans, jackets, all kinds of different things. So sometimes people can make money just from selling the transfer and then allowing the other person to put it on to pants and shirts or sweatshirts or wherever they're putting it on, jerseys sometimes. Or you can sell the actual clothing with the transfer already put on there just to mark it up a little bit. So the average cost of this machine is about $2,500. There's many machines right now on Amazon, so you can kind of read about each one and pick the best one. Pick the most beginner-friendly one for you. If this is something that you don't know if you want to do, but you know that you can sell these items to make your quick return, what I would do is start with small business owners and let them know you can make 10, 15 logos of their shirt for their small business and their employees. This is way better than having them order from a bigger company and having a minimum order of like 50 or 60 just to get the shirts shipped to them. It's a really good option for people who want to do something, who are already well connected with their community, and who are good at marketing. So you can also do a corporate event, you can schools, you can do so many different things with this. And also, I remember when I was little, there was a woman who painted custom designs on jeans. Like she actually hand painted whatever cartoon character you wanted on a pair of jeans. And this is something that you can just do quickly with your DTF printer. So this is how this machine is making people a lot of money on the side. All right, number 3 is a balloon stuffing machine. So what this balloon stuffing machine does, it's a chamber that holds open the balloon so that you can put stuff in it like teddy bears and other small balloons and decorations. And then when you're done inserting all the things that you're gonna put in the balloon, you seal it up. The machine seals it up like a regular balloon. So how are you gonna make money from this machine? Well, you're gonna sell the balloons that you decorated. So you're gonna take orders and then sell the balloons. Most people sell their decorative balloons for about $30. And so you could do baby showers, you could do birthday parties, you could do special events. There's so many different things happening where people would order this, but they can't get it shipped to them or they don't want to get it shipped to them. So this is more like a local thing that you could do. How could you make money from this machine? Well, you can sell the balloons that you're stuffing and take orders. So you can take orders for birthday parties, for baby showers, for large events, for corporate events. There's different things that you could do with this. Most people charge around $30 to $35 for one of the stuffed balloons, and in most cases, they order more than one per event. So you have a repeat customer just from one event. So the machines cost around $370 on Amazon. They're ranging from about $370 to $400, and you would make your money back in just a couple of weeks. So I actually have a neighbor who owns one of these machines, and she does do active selling. So she makes about $3,000 to $4,000 a month just from birthday parties and from holiday parties and from corporate parties. And this is just from word of mouth and doing this on the side. So and it's very easy to do. You order the balloons, you order the teddy bears, you order some of the things that you know that people want to be in these balloons. And then once you get an order, you have all the items already. Then you stuff it and you deliver them to the person. So this machine is one of the more fun ones if you like things like that. All right, and number 4 is Addy Express. And so this is a machine that helps you knit faster. So it knits basically for you. Spend 5-6 hours knitting a sweater or a hat or gloves or all the things. You just get it started and then it knits for you. So I know that a lot of Etsy sellers who sell knit items on that platform are probably going to have to start using this because they want to produce products for their buyers. So if you are somebody who already sells on Etsy, if you're somebody who is already a knitter and you sell those things, then this machine is going to help you. So the average cost is about $160, which is not that big of an investment for somebody who's already interested in selling what they're knitting. So this is a machine that is going to help you speed up what you already love to sell so that you can sell more of it. Now, if you don't knit and you're interested in getting started in knitting and you just found it too difficult, then this is the machine that you want to get. And how is it going to make you money? Like I said, you can sell your things on Etsy, you can sell them locally. You're going to be able to sell these products faster because you're able to make them faster. So that was my video on 4 machines silently making people money. I have a lot more machines that I want to let you guys know about, but I didn't want to make this video too long because I know I've heard you guys in the comments. You really like short, sweet, to the point videos so you can figure out what you want to figure out and then move on and start implementing everything that you've learned. So if this video is something that you like to, go ahead and let me know down in the comments and I'll make a video of 10 machines that are making people money so that you can decide what machine you want to buy, how you want to make money in the new year 2026. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.